Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing yet again another Temu haul. It is Temu time and I'm here for it. I'm just going to do a quick little rundown on Temu just in case you're watching this and you're not sure what it is, which I'm sure pretty much everybody knows what Temu is at this point because it's so popular. So basically Temu is an online marketplace. They sell pretty much anything ranging from fashion, beauty, hair products, kitchen appliances, shoes, home decor, basically everything, and their prices are super affordable. They have free shipping and they do free returns up to 90 days, and they also have site-wide sales up to 90% off. They accept all major credit cards and debit cards, and they also do the pay later programs such as AfterPay. And they have a website, but they also have an app as well, and I always recommend the app. I just find it so much smoother on there, and you also get different perks as well. Also, everything that I show here today in my haul will be listed down below in the description bar, so if you want to go ahead and shop. And I also do have a coupon code as well. Go ahead and pop it up here, and that will also be in the description bar as well. But anyways, enough chit chat, let's go ahead and get into the video. I have to start off with these because they're just calling my name. Look at these slippers, you guys. They're the cutest things I've ever seen in my entire life. They have little, I don't know if that's a peach, I don't know if it's a pink peach or if it's a pink strawberry. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but either way, very cute. I love it. I mean, I love basically anything pink, but these are just so adorable. I went ahead and got a size 38/39, and I have tried these on and they fit like my regular size, which I'm typically like a size 6. So I would say these do fit a little bit smaller than their actual sizing, you know what I mean? So yeah, I would say definitely go ahead and size up on these if you are thinking about getting them. But they're so soft and cozy. I love this material. They are very thin. They're super lightweight. There's like not much to these, but I just love having like a bunch of different options when it comes to slippers. So love these. Okay, next we have this right here. I remember what this is and I'm very excited for it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You get this, and then you also get these little tiny things right here, and basically this is for when you're doing your skincare. So this is the headband that goes around your head, obviously, and then these little tiny things right here actually go around your wrist. So I don't know about anybody else, but I hate when I'm like washing my face and the water drips down my arms. Oh my gosh, I hate that so much. So these little things, you put them on your wrist and it stops the water from going down. Let me go ahead and put it on and see. Hold on. Let's see if I can actually get my nails through here. Okay, so yeah, that's what it looks like on there. So like I said, it just completely stops the water from dripping down your arms, which I just think is the most perfect invention ever. And I love the color. I love this shade of blue. I think it's so pretty. They did have a few different colors as well. I think they had a pink, which I was very tempted to get, but I just decided to go with this blue anyways. But yeah, I think it's also great that it comes with a headband like this as well, because I have a few of these now and they honestly just, whoops, they honestly just come in handy so often, even for doing your makeup, just to get the hair out of your face. These are great. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this like all the time. Next we have a makeup item, and it looks like this is a concealer, I guess. This is what the packaging says right there. I think that's a mushroom. I don't really know. This kind of like plastic wrap when you have nails is the worst thing ever. I can't remember if this is an actual concealer, if I bought this in a darker shade to use as contour. Oh, okay, so it's neither. This is a blush, but it said concealer. I'm so confused. Is this even blush? I don't even really know. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right here. As you guys can see, it's pink, so I'm assuming it's a blush. I don't really know, to be honest with you. So it says on the front here, tinted, smooth texture, long-lasting, comfortable, blue thin. Okay. Oh, you know what I think this is actually? I think this is a, like a luminizer that I got. Let me just see here. Oh yeah, that's what it is. So basically it's like a luminizer that you could kind of put on all over your face essentially. Hopefully you guys can see that there, but it just kind of adds a little bit of a sparkle or a glow. You could kind of put this on like wherever, to be honest, if you wanted to add some to your collarbones or your chest, just to add a little nice sparkle or glow. But this was so confusing. I was like, why does it say concealer? Why is there a mushroom on it? I don't really know, but either way, I really like this. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, next we have this right here, and this one I am super intrigued by. So basically this is like a little sealer. So essentially, like say if you had a bag of chips or something like that and you wanted to seal them back up, you'd put them in there and just, it's like a heat sealer. Good thing it does come with a little user manual. I'll definitely need that. I'm not seeing, I don't know what this part is right here, because I don't see this part on the little picture that they give you. I don't know if that comes off. I don't want to break it. Oh, okay, there we go. So it does come off. So I am gonna go ahead and insert a clip of me actually using this, but it does need a battery, and I don't really know, where do you put the battery in? I can't really tell. Oh, and I didn't even know this. It has an end where you can actually cut things as well. So this is the end where you can cut things, and then this is the sealer part right there. That's neat. I didn't know that. Finally, I got the battery part off. So that's what it looks like on the inside there. It takes 2 AA's. So let's go find some AA batteries. Yeah, I'm really hoping this actually works. I think it's a neat little tool to have, and I love that it's pink, obviously, but you guys will see in the clip if it actually works or not. Okay, this next item I just accidentally spilled everywhere. So essentially, this is what it looks like right here, and it's just a bag of little tiny hair ties, just the like basic little black ones like that look like this. Oh, and I'm still spilling them everywhere. Great. But these are so good for like when you're doing little tiny braids or something like that, just the little tiny black ones like that. But yeah, I didn't know that this top part was open, so I picked it up and they went everywhere. Now they're all over my floor. Love that, great for me. But honestly, the reason why I got these, obviously I use them quite a bit when I'm doing like different hairstyles, but these were such a good deal. Normally I get these at like a dollar store or something like that, but you get 500 of these in here, and the price, I can't remember off the top of my head right now, but it's super, super cheap. Well worth it to get it on Temu. Such a good deal. And I believe they also had different colors as well, but now I have to go and clean these off my floor. Okay, next, this one's kind of random, but I've never owned one of these, okay? In my 25 years of living, I have never owned a meat tenderizer, and I needed one, so Temu came through. So yeah, there's really nothing too special about it. It's just like your basic average meat tenderizer. But like I said, I've never owned one of these, and there's lots of times where I'm like, oh, I wish I had a meat tenderizer right now. But yeah, this was super, super cheap. That's why I ended up getting it on Temu. Okay, next I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show these at the same time. So I picked up some more nails. I am honestly obsessed with nails. It's kind of getting a little bit crazy, but I picked these up. These are a little bit different for me. They're just like the basic clear ones. So you can kind of do whatever you want with these, paint them whatever color you want. And they're just kind of like a oval shape. I don't know if you guys can see that through there, but yeah, just super basic. I thought these would be kind of fun to just kind of like play around with and kind of do my own thing with and paint them whatever color I want. So yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and pick these up, and these were also such a good deal. You get a lot in there. And then I saw these and I just had to have these. So that's what they look like right there. Just a super pretty French tip, and then as you guys can see, one of them has like little crystals on it. Super, super pretty. To be honest though, I'm not like a huge fan of the square nails. I prefer like either stiletto or coffin or something like that, but I think these are fun just to kind of switch it up, and I do love a good French tip. I just think it's classic. You can never go wrong with a French tip, you know what I mean? But I have a lot of these nails from this brand now. That's what the packaging looks like for this brand, and these are amazing, guys. I think these are actually from this brand, to be honest with you, but I love these. They last so long. They're such good quality. These now, the ones that I have on my hands right now, I've worn these twice. So I went ahead, wore them, popped them off, and now I have them on again. And like, they're just such good quality. They don't crack. If you do still have like glue on the nail from the previous time that you wore it, you can just go ahead and kind of like flick it off. Like it comes off super easily. So yeah, I'm really loving these. They're just fun to, you know, play around with and have different nails. So yeah, now I have more to add to my collection. Okay, next, this one. I gotta be totally honest with you. I think I accidentally ordered this because I have absolutely no recollection of actually ordering this. And to be honest, I don't really even know what it is. What I think happened is I was looking at the, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to explain this that well, but they're like little powder puffs you can squeeze, and then like glitter comes out of them, and you just kind of like put it all over you if you want. I'll put a picture up here just in case you guys, I'm terrible at explaining things, so maybe the picture will help. But what I think happened is I went to add that to my cart and accidentally added this to my cart, because this is essentially the bottle for that, but there's no glitter inside of it. So this is what it looks like right here. As you guys can see, it's just the bottle. Yeah, it says powder spray bottle on the box there, which to be honest, this will still work for what I want to do. I could just go ahead and put some like glitter in there, some kind of like even like a highlighter, honestly. But yeah, it's just a little bottle like this. You squeeze it and stuff comes out, you know what I mean? Okay, next, you guys know I'm obsessed with Temu's jewelry, so you know I had to get some more. I picked up some cute little earrings. Okay, so I'm gonna try to show you as best as I can here, but that's what the earring looks like. And then you get another little pearl earring right there, and that's kind of how you put it in your ear. I don't know if that made any sense, but it's so pretty. I just think this is gonna look so nice on. I love little like dainty pearls like this. I think they're so pretty, especially if you had like your hair up or something like that. love that. Like I said, I'm obsessed now with getting jewelry on Temu. It's one of the best places in my opinion to get jewelry. Okay, next, this might be a little bit weird, but I got some underwear. Obviously, I'm not gonna, you know, take these out and really show them, but they're just like the no-show, like seamless ones, and they looked so comfortable that I had to try them. I think you get a pack of 5 in here. Let me see. Yeah, so you do get 5 in there. You get a bunch of different colors as well. Really, really pretty, and these feel so soft. Oh my goodness, I am actually very excited for these. I never thought in my life I'd be super excited about underwear, but here we are. Next, this one's calling my name. I've been staring at it in the corner, and I'm excited to try it out. So this is a blush stick. First of all, look at the color. Come on. This is like bright pink, like crazy. So that is what it looks like right there. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Oh wow, okay, that is bright. Look at that color, you guys. I cannot wait to try that out. And it feels nice and creamy too, which I love, but obviously this is a very pigmented product, so this is probably something that you won't have to use a lot of. But when it comes to like sticks like this, like cream, blushes, or contours, I know a lot of people take the thing itself and then drag it across the face, but one of the best ways to apply a product like this is to either put it on your hand or just take it in a stick like this. Take a brush, apply the product to the brush, and then put it on your face. It's just a way smoother application and it looks a lot better. So yeah, little tip of the day. Okay, next we have another little kitchen tool. So this is basically one of those like apple slicers or corers, whatever you want to call it. That's what it looks like up close there, just in case you guys are curious. Honestly, I don't even know if I have any apples right now, but if I do, I will include a clip of me using this and testing it out. But so far it seems pretty good quality. It's not very flimsy or anything like that. And also this was like super, super cheap. So yeah, if you guys do end up seeing a clip, then I did have apples. If you don't see a clip, then I didn't have apples, sorry. Okay, next we have a little hair accessory, and unfortunately this one is a tad bit broken, but it is something that I'm able to fix, so I'm not too worried about it. But look how cute this little hair clip is, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, is that not the most adorable thing you've ever seen? So basically on the other side here, one of the little bows came off, but I do have the bow, so what I'm just gonna end up doing probably is putting like some crazy glue on there and sticking it back on. Probably just like fell off in like shipping or something like that, but this is too cute not to use, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of glue and it'll be good as new. Okay, next, I had to get this. This is so cute. I truly don't think you're ready to see this. It's that adorable. It's a little bear keychain. Like, can we just take a moment? Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life? Look at that. And the best thing about it too, it's like a little fuzzy bear. It is so adorable, you guys. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to put this on my keys. Honestly, Temu is starting to make me become obsessed with things. First it was nails, now it's cute little keychains, and I don't think they're bad obsessions whatsoever, so. All right, you guys, and the last thing in this haul from Temu is another little makeup item. So this, I believe, is a liquid shadow, I think. Let's go ahead and open it up. I went ahead and got mine in the shade Diamond. Okay, yeah. Oh. Okay, this is not a liquid shadow. This is a body luminizer. So now I'm wondering, is this actually a blush? Because I thought this was the body luminizer that I ordered, but this is actually the body luminizer that I ordered. But this, I don't know, I'm confused. This is either a blush or a body luminizer, I don't know, but let's talk about this now. At least this one actually says what it is, so that is what the product looks like right there. It looks like it's gonna be a really, really pretty shade. Ooh, that looks like it's gonna be really pretty. It's actually very thick. I think I just pumped way too much out. Don't mind the gigantic swatch, just a lot came out, but look how pretty that is, you guys. That is gonna look gorgeous. Yeah, obviously use a lot less than that, but when that's like really rubbed into the skin, that's gonna look so nice. Like just that shine. Oh my gosh. On the collarbones, amazing. But I love a good luminizing product. I just think they make you look so healthy and glowy. So now I apparently have 2. Honestly, I might even mix these and see what kind of concoction I could come up with. All right, you guys, so that was everything in my Temu haul. I really, really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, if you want to go ahead and keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have TikTok and Instagram, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.